So as I was filming my first video, I got cut off a little bit. So I wanted to quickly review the Kaizena skills and lessons. So let's say I'm looking at a student's work and I'm highlighting something. Now, instead of doing the voice or the text comment, I'm going to go in and choose lesson. What lesson will do is it will load up a pre-populated list of any lessons that I have created. So I've created one called choosing stronger topic sentences, passive voice. There's a sample one that's already there. I can preview what that would look like. So for passive voice, I have one that says your voice is too passive here. I can select that and then post it to that spot. So now when the student sees that, they'll see my comment. This is really useful to use lessons if you have really long comments that you use a lot of, that you want to be able to leave throughout the paper in multiple places without having to retype them each time. So for the lessons, in order to manage those, you'll click on lesson. You'll click manage lessons on app Kaizena. Give it a few seconds to load. And then once we're loaded, we go in and here are the ones I already have made. I can create a new lesson. So maybe this one is use of acronyms. Of course, I'm going to misspell it. And I'm going to create that lesson. And then within the lesson itself, I can include any sort of comment that I want. Or if I have a voice comment that I want to leave, that I'm going to be leaving over and over and over again. So again, remember with these, you're just making a big list of items that you constantly want to use in your comments. Don't use these. Obviously, it would be longer than that post. So now when I'm back over in my documents and I'm leaving comments, I'll have that to choose from. One thing I have noticed is you do have to reload Kaizena after you've updated your list of lessons. So if I go back into Kaizena, I need to go ahead and reopen that, give it a few seconds to refresh, and then I should have my comments ready to go here. So let's try highlighting something else. I'll highlight the word Chromebooks. I'll go over here now, choose my lesson. There's my use of acronyms. I can preview it. It just says don't use these. I select it and I post it. So now I can quickly go through and add that same comment several different places if I needed to. So that's how you use the feature for lessons. I'll come right back and do another video on how skills work.